How to clear search history on Microsoft Outlook mobile app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Outlook, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture like this. Now go down and click on the settings here. Scroll down like this until you find privacy settings right here as you can see. Click on privacy settings and wait a few seconds. Now scroll down until you find the search history and click clear search history like this. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.